How people never wanna act on their dreams. Minimize your negativity and hop on your feet, cause we super duper blessed. I don't wanna repeat everything that I'm saying.
I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mantra. And before the video starts, make sure to go down, top link in the description below, and cop the Icon Collection Part 2. Here's one of the pieces. It's a purple t-shirt right here, and we do have some new stuff coming, so definitely stay tuned to the Instagram Ben Mantra Shop to get notified when we will be releasing new stuff. This may or may not be one of the new pieces that release pretty soon, so definitely stay tuned to the channel, stay tuned to the Instagram Ben Mantra Shop to get notified. But today we have a video on Supreme. Got a Supreme pickup right here, and I tried to save this video for a little bit because I picked this up fall winter and I wasn't able to pick it up when it first released. I had to get this on resale, so I saved this video for a little bit for week 1 of spring summer. Spring summer, I really didn't like anything of that first week. Really nothing stood out to me for the first week. What I want is the Supreme Band-Aids, the Supreme Hot Wheels, and if they make a box logo, that'd be pretty sick. I want to got that. Got something from the fall winter collection, 2 pieces in here, so let's take a look. You of course get the Supreme bag. All of my Supreme bags right here. I have all these Supreme bags. I don't even know what to do with them. These are all the Supreme bags. So yeah, but let's take a look and see what I got. First things first, I had to cop the Luden's Supreme cough drops. Got Supreme on the side. These are really sick. I think these are going for like 20 bucks now, and I caught these for like 8-10 bucks. So definitely a good cop. These did retail for 2 bucks, so they are going up in resale. This would be perfect with the Supreme Band-Aids. But let's toss that to the side. And you of course get the stickers. You of course get the 2 Supreme box logo stickers that come with like every Supreme order. I did open this up because I did wear it like once or twice because I was waiting. But here it is right here. This is like one of my favorite Supreme t-shirts at the moment, other than a box logo. But this is a perfect Supreme tee, perfect for summer. You know, just perfect everyday t-shirt. A Supreme Cat in the Hat collab, Dr. Seuss collab. Very nice graphic. You got the Supreme Cat in the Hat. You got the hat from Cat in the Hat with Supreme right there. Very nice. The colors are perfect on this. I really would like this gray color because the image just pops so much more compared to the black or white. Yeah, in terms of quality of Supreme tees, I gotta say you're definitely paying for what's on the shirts. It's not a very nice, soft t-shirt like this right here. It's very soft, very nice. The graphics are very nice. And yeah, this might be releasing pretty soon. But yeah, this is very soft, you know, and it's gonna stay soft after multiple washes. But this, I washed it like twice, and it's just like really stiff and all that. Supreme tees, they are actually pretty alright quality, I guess. Pretty okay quality. It's not gonna be the best quality you ever got. It's just gonna be like a normal quality t-shirt. Unlike this right here, this is gonna be very nice quality. Same with the new Icon Collection shirts. Very nice quality. Make sure you go down top link in the description below and cop them. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be posting a pic on Instagram, BenMantra_. So definitely follow my Instagram to see how I style this. Supreme shirts. These shirts do run oversized a little bit. So if you don't like that oversized, I would recommend sizing down. If you don't mind the oversized, stay true to size. But yeah, Supreme Cat in the Hat tee. Love this t-shirt. To see what comes out for spring summer. You know, the lookbook came out like last week or 2 weeks ago. Zero just came out this Monday online, last week in stores. So yeah, I can't wait to see what Supreme brings out. Week 1 was looking a little weak in my opinion, but that's just me. I really wanted that one shirt, the Supreme New York City shirt. I forgot who's on that shirt. Just a lot. Other than that, there really wasn't any t-shirt, anything that really caught my eye. It was a really weak week for Supreme week 1. But hope to see Supreme bring out some banger stuff this upcoming weeks. But yeah, definitely like the video. We are so close to 800 subscribers. We are literally like, I think, 9 subscribers away from 800 subscribers. So definitely subscribe down below. Go cop the Icon Collection down below. Follow my Instagrams, BenMantra_ and BenMantra Shop to get notified if this t-shirt does release. It probably will release. So definitely stay tuned to the channel for that, the Instagram for that. And turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, peace.